What's going on, Extreme family? Extreme Jordan here with another great video for you guys today. Behind me I have our SEMA build for this year, for SEMA 2020. So this so happens to be our 2020 Chevy 2500 HD High Country Edition. And today we're going to do an installation video with Lockerdown USA on their 12 gauge steel textured black safe in this truck as well. The great thing about this safe is this is their upgraded safe. So what that means is it's a iLock digital safe. It's an 8-digit combination safe, and it's all touch, push, ready to go. So what I want you guys to do for me at the end of this video is I want to make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to Extreme Jordan as well as Extreme Off-Road and Performance. And last but not least, turn off those notifications so that you can see new content. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so for starters for this installation video, I want to describe this box to you guys. So again, this is the iLock digital safe from Lockerdown USA. What's great about this safe is that for starters, in the instructions they provide, it's a digital safe, so they're going to give you the step-by-step process on how to reprogram this to your personal code. We already went ahead and did that, so we're ready to go. What's great about this installation is going to be quite simple. It's already a steel, 12 gauge steel box, already ready to go. And all we have to do is do the prep work first in order to install this bad boy. So we're gonna start this video off by doing just the prep work, getting everything factory uninstalled to install this aftermarket safe. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so to start this video, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a impact wrench drill. You're gonna need a T20 star bit. You're gonna need a 10mm socket. And you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. So we're going to prep this for the safe. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our T20 star bit and we're going to uninstall the factory file folder system, which is on these sidewalls here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay. That's one. Here's the other side. Okay. This comes off at an angle. Make sure you get all these. There we go. All right, so the side file folders from the factory are removed. We're then going to remove inside the center console here. There's two factory bolts, which we're going to use a 10mm socket to remove. So let's go ahead and do that. Now on the safe itself from Lockerdown, they provide these new folder rails, these new rails now. So what we got to do is we have to uninstall them for now, but we're going to reinstall them, so make sure they're put aside for now. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those. Again, it's all in the prep work, so we're just going to get this prepped. After the preparation, this should be a quick installation for everybody. So this is what it looks like. It comes mounted already. Set that aside. Okay. Okay. Side rails. Side. Now everything has been prepped, ready to go. So now this safe should just drop right in. You're gonna have to do it at a slight angle. This is pretty heavy. So go straight down with it. Boom, like a glove. Fits right in there. Now Lockerdown provides you with a new foam, so we're gonna move that out of the way so we can see those holes. Get them lined up. Okay. They're all lined up now. Lockerdown provides new extended 10mm bolts out of their packaging. We're going to install those in the bottom of the safe. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. So we're not using the existing factory, we're going to use theirs that they provide, okay? Let's go ahead and install these. The holes should line up perfectly. Hand tighten them first. I'm going to impact them down, secure it. One. back down. This mat. Okay. Last but not least, I'm going to reuse these side rails that they provided. So I'm going to go right here, down below. We're going to use the existing screws that they provided us to install this. Okay. Right here we go. Got to get in there to make sure you see them all line up. Driver's side. More. Okay. And there you have it. That is the full installation of Lockerdown USA's digital safe for the 2020 Chevy 2500. It also fits the Chevy 1500 as well.